Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Brave is updated and you are using an administrator or owner account. Once done, close all open windows, normal and private, so settings changes apply cleanly. Next, open Brave and go straight to the main menu. You need Settings access. Make sure Sync is paused if active, because preferences may propagate. Now navigate to Appearance or Extensions, depending on whether you use a shortcut or an extension to access private windows. This gets the process moving without delay. You now remove the entry points to private windows. First, check Desktop and Taskbar shortcuts. Right-click, open Properties, and remove any incognito flag. Once done, go to Brave//Extensions and disable or uninstall any extension that forces incognito. Make sure to toggle off Allow an incognito where needed. Then open Settings, choose Appearance, and toggle features that surface private mode. If necessary, visit Brave//Flags and carefully disable experimental private tab flags. Finish by restarting Brave and verifying the private window option is gone from menus and shortcuts. If the mode reappears, clear cache and reset site settings. Make sure to back up bookmarks first. If that still fails, inspect OS level policies. Windows Group Policy or Mac OS configuration profiles can re-enable features, so remove or adjust them. One key troubleshooting tip: if Enterprise Policy locks private mode, contact the admin. Otherwise, a fresh user profile will isolate the problem and let you confirm the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.